Welcome to our channel. Today we're unveiling the top 5 best luggage in 2025. Designed for style, durability, and smart travel. From tech-integrated suitcases to ultralight carry-ons, we've reviewed it all. Stay tuned until the end to discover the one feature that's revolutionizing modern luggage this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start with the video. Number 5. The Briggs & Riley Baseline Essential Carry-On Luggage. A premium suitcase made for the modern explorer. Whether you're a frequent flyer or planning your next big trip, this carry-on might just be your new favorite travel buddy. Let's dive into what makes it stand out. With its innovative One-Touch CX technology, this carry-on expands for extra packing room, then compresses back to size, keeping everything snug and organized. It's perfect for last-minute souvenirs or fitting that extra pair of shoes without hassle. The 4 360-degree spinner wheels offer a quiet, smooth glide on any surface. From airport terminals to city sidewalks, moving this bag feels effortless and fluid, reducing travel stress every step of the way. 2 mesh-lid zip pockets help you neatly store smaller items, while a hidden ID tag keeps your personal details private. The layout is thoughtful, functional, and geared towards staying organized on the go. An exterior pocket offers quick access to travel essentials. Bright orange lining inside alerts you when it's unzipped. Plus, multiple handles make lifting and carrying easy, even in tight spaces. Crafted with durable materials, this bag is made for years of use. And here's the best part. It's backed by a lifetime repair guarantee, covering damage from normal wear and tear. Now that's confidence in quality. The Briggs & Riley Baseline carry-on combines smart design, durability, and effortless mobility. It's stylish, functional, and made for serious travelers. Let us know in the comments if you've tried it, or if it's now on your wish list. Safe travels and happy packing. Number 4. The Samsonite Freeform Carry-On Spinner Luggage. An ultra-light, ultra-strong checked luggage that promises style, security, and serious packing space. The Samsonite Freeform boasts an ultra-light yet incredibly strong shell, built to withstand the toughest airport handling. Its sleek, modern design adds sophistication without sacrificing toughness. With 27.6 inches by 20 inches by 13 inches of packing space, this bag is perfect for longer trips. The expandable case gives you flexibility when you need extra room. A recessed TSA-approved combination lock keeps your belongings safe and secure during check-in. It's convenient and travel-compliant, no worrying about lost keys or broken zippers. For smooth spinner wheels make airport navigation a breeze. Glide effortlessly through terminals, even when the bag's fully packed. It's designed for comfort and control. Samsonite backs this luggage with a 10-year limited warranty, proving their confidence in durability. It's a long-term investment for frequent flyers who value reliability. Overall, the Samsonite Freeform 28-inch spinner is stylish, spacious, and built to last. Perfect for extended travel, your next adventure deserves luggage like this. Number 3. The Mixi Large Checked Luggage. A suitcase that's stylish, durable, and packed with smart features. First off, the Mixi suitcase is crafted with a 3-layer Covestro PC shell that resists scratches like a champ. Reinforced with a sturdy aluminum frame, it's built to handle rough airports and unpredictable travel conditions. You'll feel confident tossing this into any baggage carousel, no worries about dents or damage. Here's where Mixi gets clever. Unlike traditional clamshell suitcases, this one opens from the side, making packing and unpacking way easier, especially in tight hotel rooms. It's sleek, modern, and super practical for both quick business trips and long vacations. You'll love the integrated TSA-approved lock for stress-free security checks. The 360-degree spinner wheels with TPE damping make it glide effortlessly and silently. Plus, the YKK zippers are smooth and reliable, no annoying snags or breaks. With dimensions of 28 inches tall and a roomy 88-liter capacity, this suitcase is ideal for extended travel. It weighs just over 11 pounds, balancing space and portability. Whether it's Europe or a weekend getaway, it fits the bill. Mixi takes customer satisfaction seriously. Their 24-hour service and focus on experience mean you're never traveling alone. It's clear they want your journey to be smooth and memorable. So is Mixi luggage worth it? Absolutely. Durable, smart, and stylish, it's a travel upgrade you won't regret. Number 2. Away the bigger carry-on luggage. Is it worth the hype? Let's unpack the features that make this suitcase a standout, especially for 4-7-day getaways. Spoiler, it's stylish, smart, and seriously functional. This carry-on features a 100% polycarbonate shell that's both super lightweight and ultra-durable. It's water-repellent too, which means no stress if you're caught in the rain. It's designed to take hits while still looking sleek and modern wherever you travel. Getting around is a breeze with its smooth 360 degrees wheels and quick-release trolley handle with 2 height settings. The underside grab handle makes it easy to lift into overhead bins, giving you confidence whether you're racing through terminals or boarding at the last minute. Packing is efficient thanks to the built-in compression system and zippered compartments. It even includes a water-repellent laundry bag, perfect for separating clean clothes from the rest during your journey. Everything has its place. Good news! This carry-on meets most major airlines' sizing rules. Plus, it features a TSA-approved combination lock to keep your belongings secure through every checkpoint and layover. Away offers a limited lifetime warranty covering functional issues, think zippers, handles, wheels. That's real peace of mind for frequent flyers and wanderlusters alike. So, is the bigger carry-on worth it? Absolutely. With its smart design, premium feel, and dependable warranty, it's a game-changer for modern travel. Number 1. The Travelpro Platinum Elite Carry-On Luggage. A sleek, durable, and functional luggage choice for frequent flyers. Let's roll into it. With the Precision Glide system, this carry-on moves like a dream. Magnetic, self-aligning 360-degree spinner wheels and a comfortable grip handle make airport navigation smooth and stress-free. Crafted from high-density nylon with DuraGuard coating, it resists stains and scuffs. Tapered expansion prevents tipping, and the TSA-approved lock keeps your contents safe during inspections. Inside, the deluxe tie-down system and accessory pockets keep things neat. A removable wet pocket is perfect for toiletries, plus the external USB port adds charging on the go. At 7.8 pounds, the 21-inch model fits most airline overhead bins and packs a lot without being bulky. Need more space? There's a larger 25-inch version too. Travelpro backs this bag with a limited lifetime warranty and a companion promise covering airline damage, great reassurance for frequent travelers. The Travelpro Platinum Elite is stylish, sturdy, and smartly designed. For reliable carry-on travel, this one's a winner. Safe travels,